In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your keyboard is not working properly on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and then select the settings gear button on the left panel. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, just scroll down and select the update and security tile. On the left side, select troubleshoot. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, you want to go down and select Keyboard, find and fix problems for your computer keyboard settings, run the troubleshooter for that, and then hopefully it would resolve the problem if you had an issue in regards to your keyboard. If you're using an external keyboard, you may just want to plug it into a different port and see if that is still having the problem, or it may just be a bad keyboard. Same goes for internal keyboards as well. Could just be an issue with your device, in which case the software solution is not going to fix it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.